Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Adli Othman and my metric number was 1191406. So for the title of this for my research is Dakwah Movement to the Teenagers in the State of Kelantan. Right. For the research question, the first one is what is the role of the community to ensure that the Dakwah movement for the youth in Kelantan runs smoothly? What is the preparation of teenagers to serve the community? What are the ways that can be used to bring the youth closer to knowledge gathering and da'wah gatherings? Why do bad or negative things happen so much and so often among the teenagers? For the research objective, to bring the youth closer to the council of knowledge and da'wah, to ensure a bright and good future for the youth, to further strengthen and the religion of Islam in the state of Kelantan through the youth, to prevent vices or other negative things from continuing to happen in the state of Kelantan. For the problem statement, cases of adolescents' sexual behavior problems have recently become more concerning, particularly among Muslim teens. In Kelantan, free social association and sex without a marriage are becoming increasingly popular among teens. Young people are no longer afraid to expose their bodies and they are willing to post video footage of the action on the internet. Not only that, but sex services are now widely available, with certain parties profiting from chat rooms, porn websites, and other sites. The importance of each chapter, we will be able to know and learn about the problems that occur among adolescents in the state of Kelantan today, as well as be able to find and investigate ways and measures to curb and overcome the problem. Then, the importance of each chapter is to be able to think of ways to produce teenagers who are better and able to serve to the community, country, and religion. Alright, for the research method, for the introduction, in this research, the researcher used a qualitative method. This method is collecting the data from the participants with asking their questions about the objective research. So this chapter include the research design, data collection, and data analysis. Research design. The use of qualitative design is divided into three parts: ethnographic research, grounded theory research, and narrative research. It entails the investigation of a culture shared by a group of people. In ethnographic investigations, individual experiences are explored to construct a theory in grounded theory studies, whereas individual stories are explored to explain in narrative studies. For the data collection, information was collected by an informant named Ahmad Shukrillah bin Suhaimi, which is a graduated student from University Science Islam Malaysia, and he was a student under the Leadership and Management Faculty. The informant is also a resident of Kelantan. Then the interview sessions were recorded and reviewed to find and make up for the study. Finally, the researcher was able to complete his assignment very well and be able to study about the Dakwah movement to the youth in the Kelantan of the Kelantan today. For the data analysis, the following method was used to analyze the data collected during the interview session. Information recorded on the phone was transferred to the laptop for greater clarity and to facilitate data entry. The data was recorded by the researcher and rewritten onto a piece of paper. Important information was highlighted. Information was analyzed and grouped by point, and finally, the data was summarized. And the data has been created and reviewed will be presented in future presentation. Right. The benefits from this research we will able to know and learn about the problems that occur among adolescents in the state of Kelantan today, as well as be able to find and investigate ways and measures to curb and overcome the problem. Then the important of each chapter is to be able to think of ways to produce teenagers who are better and be able to serve to the community, country, and our religion.